So moving on to the next speaker. So we have a speaker who's the partner at MICS International Dubai, and he's the founder at Ivy Growth Associates, focused on turning potential ideas into scalable and sustainable businesses. Let us join our hands together to welcome Mr. Prateek Tosniwal on stage, please.
Assalamu alaikum, namaskar. And it's an honor and privilege to be here. Thank you to Bala for organizing this. No, it's okay. Uh, I'm honored because this is about raw stories, the real life stories. How you can build yourself from the scratch. I have seen, I'm sorry, my son is crying. Just a second. Come. Okay, we'll speak together. So yes, I belong to a city called Surat from India. It's in Gujarat, where a lot of struggles in this life came along. My dad started his journey in 1989, and that's where we started our journeys as well. We started from a 250 square feet office, and now we have our own empire, which is built in Gujarat. And we are one of the leading chartered accountant firms in Surat. So that's what my dad has built in. We follow three principles: integrity, values, and ethics. And there is no compromise when it comes to that. We love the people. People who have started with us in 1989 are still part of our team. And that is what matters to us. My dad always taught me one thing: never ever compromise, no matter how much money is on the table. And that is why we chased values and not money. In 2007, after I passed out, I shifted to Mumbai for 10 years. And that was only because I wanted to test the world and the waters. I was at home at a comfort level where my parents were taking care of me. But when I moved to Mumbai, the challenges started. And that's where I realized life is not so simple. Day after day, we built ourselves. We passed that journey from getting bullied to becoming one of them who can, stop that bullying to people, because it's not something that is fun. Mumbai, Delhi is known for that, but we grew along, and we've seen the change. From just passing out CA, which was not a compulsion, but my passion, I became an entrepreneur and a professional one. I worked with KPMG for 4 years in international taxation and started my journey with my dad in 2017 because he runs his own practice as well. Soon I realized, again, I was going into my comfort zone. I broke the shackles and shifted to UAE in 2021, where I found a partner in Sheetal Soni, and we started this firm called MICS, which takes care of all the needs of day-to-day needs because compliance is increasing in this country. But since 2018, my passion lies in startups and entrepreneurs, and I had someone just listening about how he built his company and how he's given exits to his angel investors. That's what we did since 2018, and with the only value that you should never become a broker, but an investor. So every company that I have raised capital for, I have my check in it. Maybe as small as $10,000, but we never invest in a company with money of investors where our skin is not in the game. So that's the value we've built. Now in almost 82 companies, I hold stakes. We have exited from 7 and a profitable one. We have never written off any of the startups till now. And now we have launched our own fund of $30 million, which is in India as well as in UAE. So that's the journey we come along. Every investor who's investing with us has seen that we've never compromised on corporate governance and due diligence. That's where the key is. And being a chartered accountant, that was my core. Today, it's a proud moment to give this speech with my son in my hand. I cannot tell you how proud I am because I never thought this would happen. Sometimes, this again, my wife is not well today, and she asked me to take care of him, and I knew that I have to be here. I was prepared for a 3:15 speech, but Bala said, no, please take the stage. And that's how life works, right? It throws the challenges which you're not prepared for. And I always say, with every challenge comes opportunities. And if you try to break that shackles, the doors will open. And that's what my life has been and my story has been always. I always work with 6 P's, which is people, process, and product. And the people having patience and perseverance. If that 5 is taken care of, you will make profits. So thank you so much. Thank you again. Thank you, Bala.